Hi guys, welcome once again to my channel. And if you're new here, remember to like and subscribe for more videos on how to fix Mac OS and at the same time fixing Windows. So YouTube has a what's it called? A banner. They show a lot of stuff, in the banner up there where you can use to brand yourself. So many are asking how to make a banner, a YouTube banner, where those banners can be viewed on all devices. So without wasting much time, let's jump in. So first of all, you go to Google and then you type in YouTube banner template, and then you enter. So what you do is, we have images, so you click on images. And you can click on this and then you save it. Save the images. So I'm going to save this image to my desktop. Okay, so remember the name is YouTube channel art template. So I save that. Then what do we do next? We go to Photoshop. So you open Photoshop. So with Photoshop, you go to open, you make a new size. So we're going to be using 2560 by 1440 pixels. So we're going to use this. Remember guys, 2560 by 1440 pixels. So when you click, you have a blank sheet, a blank canvas. So here, what you're gonna do is, you're gonna go into your desktop. So first of all, let's unlock the background, make it a layer, and create a new layer. And then there are two options. You can go back in the copy the image. You can copy the image if you want and paste it. Command V, you paste the image here. I mean, that's the quickest way. Or you can, let me go back. You can go to open, file, open, and then you go to desktop. So desktop, you find the name of the file you are looking for. So all document, and then you change that to, I think it was a JPEG, not sure though, PNG. Let's see. So it's JPEG. So you can look for formats which start with JPEG. JPG, not JPEG. JPG. All readable. So sometimes you have these errors here and there. So another option is, you go into your desktop where you save the file, you right click, open with, and then you open with your Photoshop. So with this, you have your empty canvas here. So with this, you can convert to normal layer. You can Command C, copy, and then you can paste it over here. Command V to paste it. And then we expand this to take the size of the canvas. So make sure you've taken the size of the canvas perfectly. Okay, so with this you have a guideline, you know, so you can snap with this guide as a ruler, as a guide to you. So let's say if you want to make whatever name you want to name your YouTube banner. So let's assume I want to have a black canvas. So I'm gonna select, you can press G to take you to your paint, and I select the color. Let's say I want color red, or let's go with yellow. So I'm gonna be, so you see this, you bring this layer on top, and then this here, so you can put this on top and reduce the opacity to, let's say 50. Reduce the opacity to 50 or 60. No, it doesn't matter, so far as you can see what you're doing. So here you're gonna go into, so I have my background, I want to use my banner to have a yellow. Let's say I want to have a text. So this area here is a safe area where you can, you know, view on all devices. So if you want to view only on your TV, then you can use the whole canvas. If you want it to be, you know, maximized on the desktop, then you can use this side and that side. But if you want it to be on mobile and all devices, it should be within this black space. It should be within this dark gray space. So if you want it on a tablet, make sure you cover this end to this end. But we're going to be covering desktop and other devices as well. So we're going to select, make sure your text and everything be on this safe area. Okay, so let me reduce the space, the opacity to 50 or 60 thereabout, so I can know what I'm doing. So I'm going to put in my text. So text, let's say, so my channel, Yoku Abe. So I want to change the color to black. So that's it. So color to black. Let's see, let me make it bold. Increase the size. And that's it, guys. I can move and center it so it snaps in there. Okay, so it's right there in the middle where I want it to be. So that's it. So now when you are done, you can delete the guide picture that is guiding you. You can delete that now. So when I delete, now I have this. So this is right in the center. So here I can export this. So file, export, quick export. So I can save this as this onto my desktop and save. I'm good to go. So when I go back into so you're done. So when I go and I go back into my channel, my YouTube channel, sorry, So when I go into my YouTube, channel. Okay, so when I go into my YouTube channel, I go to customize. So those of you who can see that the other way around it, so you can go to your profile, go to YouTube Studio. So in YouTube Studio, sorry guys, so when you go to YouTube Studio, you go to customization. So you get into customization. So in customization, we have branding. So with branding, you can change, you click on change and desktop, and I choose this. So you see, it's right where I want it to be, so it can be viewable on all devices. If your image is huge, it's cover all this space, then you can view all this space on TV, and this side will be viewed on desktop. So when I click done and I publish it, okay, I'm done. So I can view my channel now. So there you go. It's changed, and that's it, guys. So that's all for today, and I hope you, if you're new on my channel, you can, I'll be happy if you subscribe, like, and share. And in our next video, I'll be teaching you guys on some pretty cool stuff. So stay tuned and remember to click on the notification button. Anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to comment, like, and share. See ya.